أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Guys, we are studying unit number 4, lesson number 4, Harakaat. In last lesson I have told you Zber zer Pesh, Fatha in Arabic language, Fatha, Kasra and Zamma. These three are called Harakaat in Quran Kareem. Guys, here if we talk about these harakat, fatha and zamma are upon the letter. Always these two harakat are upon the letter, whereas kasra is always under the letter. And when we talk about their sounds, their pronunciations, so when we pronounce fatha, kasra and zamma, we don't attach the letters. We just read in a short in a short. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine there and enjoying Ramadan. I once again I'll welcome back you on my channel Learn with Hafiz Abdul Wahid with another day, with another video and with another lesson. So I request you who are newcomers on my channel must subscribe my channel and must watch all my coming videos, so that don't be forget to press the bell icon, so that you can got the notifications of all my coming videos. Students, let's go and see what's the lesson of today is there. Sound like tomorrow, yesterday we have learned like Hamza, Fatha, not but and Hamza, Kasra, E, and Hamza, Dhamma, U. Once again I repeat you, if alif having any haraka like fatha, kasra or zamma, so we will don't read it as alif, but it will be read as hamza. If alif having any haraka, fatha, kasra or zamma, so alif will not be read as alif, but it will be read as hamza if having any haraka upon or under the letter. So guys, start with tawuz and tasmiya. Last time in yesterday we have learned, we recite the sounds of Hamza, Fatha, A, Hamza, Kasra, E, Hamza, Zamma, U, A, E, U, A, E, U. The sound of fatha we produce by producing sound towards the outside, above the letter, like a, and the sound of kasra below the letter, like e, a, e, and the sound of zamma also produce outside, like u, above the letter a, e, u, a, e, u, and the next is it's ha, like a round shape, ha, fatha, ha, not ha but ha, in a short sound, not by attaching. Hamza, fatha, ha, Hamza, kasra, he, Hamza, zamma, hu, Hamza, zamma, hu, ha, he, hu, ha, he, hu, ha, he, hu. The sound of ha, by opening our mouth we produce the sound outside, ha, and the sound of kasra, he, we produce it and throwing the sound towards below the letter, not the upper side, but towards the below side, like following me and repeat the sound so that you can learn easily. Hamza, kasra, he, by attaching below the line, we produce the sound of kasra, he, Hamza fatha ha, Hamza kasra he, Hamza zamma hu. The sound of hu we produce by making our upper and lower lips in a round shape. Hu, hu. We produce the sound and throw the sound towards outside and making our upper and lower lips in a round shape. Hu, hu. I hope you will following me. Hamza fatha ha, Hamza kasra he, Hamza dhamma hu, ha he hu, ha he hu. So guys, this was a very short lesson of today. I hope you following me repeat the sounds and pronunciations of Harakaat, Zber zer and Pesh, and you have successfully and you have very attentively listened the sounds and revise these sounds in their homes, and you will must practice these sounds in your homes. In this way we can easily and successfully learn, so that we can go ahead and we can learn the Quranic Kareem, to recite the Quranic Kareem with Tajweed, with Qiraat, with Qawaid, with rules and regulations. So guys, once again, request you who are newcomers must subscribe and must watch all my videos. So guys, see you later on, till another day, till with another video, with another lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.